Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, T-Quasify here. And right now today is the last day of March 2018, which means the 11th of March marks the 15th anniversary of my band's, my all-time favorite album, and also for my favorite band. And what this band is mostly known for, and this album, is Sing the Sorrow. Right here, here's the cover from the CD I bought many years ago. So back 2003 into March 11th was when it was released, which it really was known to be a milestone of this band. And luckily, today I came home from a hard day when I came home to a package that I ordered a while ago because I was part of the Despair faction, which we had an early pre-order of the Sing the Sorrow 15th anniversary bundle, which consists of 3 items that basically celebrates the 15th anniversary of this album. And I'm excited because this is one of those albums I could listen to straight from point A to the last final song. This time Imperfect was, yeah, this time Imperfect. And I'm excited to open this. I've been waiting for a long time for this, and I was hoping there was some kind of 15th year anniversary for this album. And this has to be, if not number one, it's competing against the recent album, the Blood album, also self-titled, which is amazing. And if you guys didn't know, I actually made a video a long time ago about the Blood album. But and the good news with AFI is recently they announced that they're on tour coming up with Rise Against and Anti-Flag, which I'm excited for. I already booked for half of the tour dates there, so you can definitely expect me to have some photos or videos of me over there. But getting to the point, this video is basically going to be me unboxing the 15th anniversary bundle. And I'm already expecting around 2 or 3 items. I forgot what was in here. I've rushed. I just had to buy this with the pre-order when I had the chance. And it was discounted because I was part of the Despair faction. So luckily I was part of that club and saved some money on it. The shipping wasn't bad. It was only like $10. And we'll go ahead and start off with this bag, which I assume it's a soft, so it's like probably the t-shirt and the grocery bag, I believe. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, if the members of AFI, Hunter, Adam, Davey, and Jade, if you guys are watching this, thank you for everything you do. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing you guys again many, many times. So I'm opening up this part. I got these 2 soft items right here. So I'm going to start off with one. This one right here. And here what we have is a grocery bag. Reusable grocery bag. So definitely when I go to the grocery store, definitely want to show off that I am a big fan of AFI. Buying all my vegan treats because I'm a vegetarian vegan. And here it is. It's all soft. You can reuse it. AFI, Sing the Sorrow. With the Roman numeral 15th anniversary. Showing that off. I satisfied. Love it. And right here, I already know what it is. It's a t-shirt. I ordered medium because my size is medium. Opening this up. And here it is. This is a gray shirt with AFI. Sing the Sorrow. And here's the bird for the cover. And we got the leaves. Just kind of like the symbol on the album is. If I have it here. Yep, kind of like the leaves right here. Reminiscence on the shirt. I believe it's right here. Red, great theme. Definitely going to wear this very often. And now to the final item, we have this tube, which I already know inside is going to be a very, very nice poster. It just has to be. I am super excited to show you what they have to offer. I'm excited to put this in my room, on my wall, or even if I have my office at work. I would love to put this on my office. This is something about posters is you gotta pop them out of these and flatten them out when you release them. But here we go. Whoa, it's like a banner, and look at that. Yeah, this really nice poster. It's like the shirt, except for the outside is black, and we got this great interior. Again, Sing the Sorrow, 15th anniversary. Look at that. Beautiful poster. Definitely will be a good addition to my office or my room. I'm still in debate, but I'm satisfied. So, we got poster, shirt, and a grocery bag. And I'm digging it. And they're still on sale right now. Actually, I believe it's this weekend, well, the weekend right now that we're on, is free shipping for this bundle. And so far I can see, it's definitely worth it. I think I spent about 50 to 60 bucks on this bundle. And I'm satisfied. You know, it's my favorite band, and I'm definitely more than happy to support the band anyway. And remember, they just announced a tour with Rise Against and Anti-Flag. If you guys want to go ahead and check them out, the tour dates are already announced. You can also already buy the tickets and everything. I'm definitely going to be there, so if you guys ever want to meet up and have fun at a concert with me, you know, give me a shout out, put it in the comments. And, you know, remember, if you guys like what I showed you guys, I'm going to do a lot of videos on bands I like or album reviews. And my next video should be me reviewing the recently released 3 Days Grace Outsider album, which will be another video. And also, next month, I will make a video on the Breaking Benjamin new album, which they are touring right now with Five Finger Death Punch. Exciting. But everyone, thank you for watching this. You know, if you guys feel free to support AFI, it really means a lot for me to them get all the recognition they need, because they are basically they grew my my love for straight edge, vegan, and also just punk rock in general, and every other type of music. And you know, and also I mean, wear my AFI shirt. Forgot to mention that. But everyone, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you guys want to, of course, and check out the bands that are coming out, and follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and all that. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out, good night, and happy Easter.